What is going on, everybody, and welcome back into Bradley Studios. Now, today in the studio, we're going to be presenting a new playlist here on my YouTube channel. Now, not too long ago, another great clay company had reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I would like to try out some of their clay products. It would be an honor. Now, that company being Creative PaperClay. Yes, it's an awesome brand, and I've known about it for quite a while, but I've never tested out their clay products. They did send me a care package and told me to have fun with the clay, and I told them that it would be an honor to create a full-length product playlist here on the YouTube channel. Now, it's not going to be just us creating some amazing art here in the studio, and we'll get to that. But I'm also going to start off with a series of intro videos just describing all sorts of fun things here with PaperClay. So whether you're new, intermediate, or advanced, I'll be able to meet some of the needs that you have. We're going to roll into all sorts of different techniques and different struggles that you can run in with PaperClay or just air dry clay in general, how to keep it moist, how to create great texture, strength testing, all sorts of things with armatures, and we're going to create some awesome product videos or technique videos and crafting videos for this playlist. Now, some of these generic type videos will kind of cascade into the general air dry clay playlist here on my YouTube channel. But anytime I'm referencing a PaperClay which is designed for Creative PaperClay, I will be putting that in this playlist. So the goal with this playlist is just to have fun, create some awesome, easy to digest content for you guys here on YouTube. And make sure you check out the playlist, that way you can binge watch all of these awesome projects as they come out. And I'll get them out as soon as I can. I hope you guys enjoy this playlist and look forward to the next video. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I will catch you guys on this next playlist.